Hi Anson, see this is the video which I am making for you. Okay, splash screen. After that, this advertisement screen will come. If there is if in from the back end, if you are getting a response uh, for the advertisement, then we will show the screen. Otherwise, it will directly go to the home page. Okay, I'm making as a browser as a guest. So these are the 4 different type of services which is in the application. We have search icon, so we can click on search and we can find a particular date, like on this date which are the services are available, like for example diving. Okay, so diving services is there, and if I select for example 8, and when I click on search, it will show how many service providers are available on date 8. Okay, for example I'll search out for example trampoline. Okay, I can, this is the multi selection, so I can do multi selection. Okay, for example I'll choose the trampoline and I click on search. So on the 8, this Sky Trampoline Park service provider is available for the booking. Okay, like when I, okay, now the thing is like when in any of the service, when we click on this any of the service category, it will show all the service provider, though they are not available on today's date, still we are showing it just for listing. But when we click on for example particular date, like was 6th, so on this date how many service providers are available, that will show. Okay, so it will show how on the selection of the date, but when I click on the category, it will show all the service provider. Like for example trampoline, so when I click on trampoline, it will show this particular service provider is available. I mean, this service provider is listed in that particular category. When I click on 6, then how many service providers are available, we will show. For example, this is the one service provider we have selected till the end of the year. So for example 22nd of December it is available. For example, if I click on 10th of January, so it is not available, so it is not coming. Okay, this is the calendar. It will show today's date and the next feature, like we can show it like 6 months or 7 months, something around, like because here there is no any, see it is showing the 1 year, the whole 1 year actually. Okay, so this is totally depending on us, like how big we can or how long we can show it, maximum 6 months or like that is how. Because anyhow like no one is going to do the booking for the next year. Okay, people are doing a booking maximum like within a month only, they or maybe like maximum 2 months or 3 months maximum. Okay, so we have this category. Now I'll show you the how it is showing in the detail. Now okay, before that we have this sliding menu. Okay, we have the language, login, all this option. When we click on the right top, the location bar, so it is showing the which near my location how many service provider attractions are available. Service provider, how many service providers are available. Okay, so I can click on it and it will show me here. When I click on the particular image, it will show the detail page of it. Okay, diving. Okay, this is the one service provider of diving. When I click on the service provider, it will show me its activities and lesson. Okay, this is how it will be appear. I can click on more and less. Okay, I can click on the gallery. This is showing the gallery. Okay, then I can share that particular service provider. I can make it favorite, but without login I cannot make it as a favorite. Okay, then this is the location of this particular service provider. Okay, after that I'll get one testing testing credential as well. Okay, now for example this is the thing. If in lesson it is showing the advanced, if I want to book advanced lesson, then this is the advanced lesson. Okay, then beginner, then this is the number of person, how many number of person, and I can do the booking, or I can check the availability of the service provider. Okay. Okay, now when I click on, for example, service provider, it is showing me which are the services this particular service provider is providing. So it is providing a service of diving and equipment. I can select it, how many participant. It cannot go to zero, it cannot go to minus, it less than 1. Then I can select the date. Okay, now as I say, like this particular service is not available on 6, so it is showing no data. When I click on 7, okay, it is not allowing me to check any of the date, because there is no any data. Okay, but when we select on particular date, it is showing us the time slot. That time slot will come in under the calendar, and I can choose the time slot, and I can click on done to select the date and time. I'll show it to you. For example, trampoline. Now when I select the trampoline, now in the trampoline they don't have the activities and lessons, because trampoline is a game. Okay, so they don't have the lesson and this thing. Okay, now it's like, in all the trampoline, in all the trampoline service provider, they will not have the activities and lesson. For the diving, for all the service provider, they will have the activities and lesson. So you can make that structure accordingly. Okay, now for the sky zone, like how many participants are there. So I can select it, for example, I have to select the, for example, 90 feet jump. Okay, I have to select the which type of, and then when I click on this, and now see when this particular service is available, so it is showing, see, all are as a blue. That means in this particular date everything is available. When I click on, for example, 7, then which time is available, on 13th which time is available, for example, next. So for example, 1st which time is available, 30th which time is available. See, time is changing now, right? Okay, so I can do it. I have to select the date. I have to select the time. Then I have to click on done. So that time and things will come. And this is the second service. I have to select the participant children, participant adult. Now here they have the condition. The condition is participant children age adult. I can select the adult single. Okay, and I can select either adult or either child, and I can do the bookings. Okay, without selecting adult, child can select the things and then do the bookings. That is fine, because there is no any dependency, like, without adult, child cannot select. There is no any dependency kind of. Okay, I can select the any other time as well for the child and for the adults. It is on their wish. Okay. Accept terms and condition and book now. Here is the book now. Then this is the amount is coming from the back end. I can select the KNet or credit card. This payment method is coming from the back end, because sometimes they have the cash, sometimes they don't have the cash, so it is coming from the back end. Then full payment, partial payment also is coming from the back end. Okay, I can choose the KNet, and then I can click on the checkout. Then it will ask me about the login. Okay, then we have the option of boat trips. We have this option. Okay, it also having the same service type is different. I can select the service type of 5 hours trip, on which date I want it. Like, for example, see here in Wednesday they don't have it any service, so Wednesday is showing blank. I can select it. I can click on done, terms and condition, and book now. Okay, it will show me like that. And then escape room. So escape room, they have the bookings. Okay, blocks, they have the different blocks. So when I click on, for example, check availability, they have the select which escape lane, go with escape lane, then how many participant. Okay, select date and time. I'll select, for example, which block is available, 9 a.m. I can select done. I can select items and condition, and then book now. Okay, this is like how it is available. It is showing like this. Okay, now let's log in inside the application. Login. For the login, username is exp at gmail.com, and the password is 123456. Okay, now I forgot to show you one thing about the ratings and raters, like reviews and raters. So when user click on review, he can see all the reviews, but if I want to give a rating, I have to log in inside the application, then I can give the ratings. Okay, now let's do a booking. For example, this is the one. Okay, check availability, select the service, for example 90 feet jump. I'll select, for example, date 7/1/03. Select this one. I'll select the one quantity. Select the one. Select terms and condition for the KNet and checkout. Okay, then it will open a payment page, and I can do a checkout here. KNet 000000000. This is 1. This is, I think so it should work with the 9/21. 1 2 3 4. Done. Submit. Confirm. Successful. Okay, payment received. Okay, by mistake I click on print, so that is why it is showing this one. Okay. then my bookings, it will show me what are the bookings which I have done. Then home it will show here. Offers, it will show me all the offers which are uploaded by the admin. Favorites, if I had done any favorite, like for example home, and then for example trampoline, which I can make it as a favorite now. Okay, successfully change it to favorite. Now I can click on favorite, so it will show me that as a favorite. I can click on delete to delete as a delete from the favorite. About us, lorem text, notification, if there is any notification. Language, it will change the language if there is English and Arabic. Okay. This everything data is coming from this title of English. I'll give it to you, so you can make it in Arabic. Sorry, I'll give it to you Excel document of translation, so you can use it that way. Okay. This is the one. This is how the application. Just if you have any doubt or question, just let me know.